Welcome to the product demonstration of IoT based smart security and home automation. In this product we are using LCD display, PIR sensor, Pi camera and Raspberry Pi 0W, GSM module and a small fan and AC load bulb and transistor board, buzzer board, track PCB, bridge rectifier and relay, and also using servo motor for the door open and close purpose and HVS-3663 Bluetooth module, and for the password type we are using, for that purpose we are using keypad. So let will analyze the power supply. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply. It will be given to this bridge rectifier. So the main aim of this bridge rectifier is converts AC to DC. So it will convert up to 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this track PCB. So the track PCB equally divide the power to the all components like Raspberry Pi, PIR sensor, servo motor and the Bluetooth and LCD display will work on the 5 volt supply. So for the providing the supply for this all components we are using the track PCB and will divide equal power to the all components. And also we are using adapter for the GSM module. Here we can see it takes 230 volts power supply from here and it will give 2 volts 1 amp output. That will be given to this GSM module because it will be works on the 2 volts 1 amp power supply only. So first of all we need to give the power supply for the GSM module. So here we can see the green light indication. So if it is blinks more, which means the SIM is not connected to the network. If it is blinks with a delay time, which means the SIM is connected to the network. Here we can see it is blinking with a delay, which means it is connected to the network. Then only it will send a message to the registered phone number. After that we need to go for the phone. So we need to go for the hotspot settings. So here we can see personal hotspot settings. So the product name should be Project 6504 without any capital letter, without any space, and password should be 129 and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. Then only this Raspberry Pi Wi-Fi will be connected to our phone. Now open the power supply, give the power supply. So here we can see system is in on position. We need to maintain a box for the PIR sensor. It will detect easily. If it is detected, so it will not give output well. That's why we are covering the PIR sensor with this box. So it will take some initialization time. So without any delay we need to move for the Bluetooth settings. So here we can see we are using Arduino SS05. It is also available in Play Store. We need to go for the Bluetooth settings. So here we can see SS05. We need to connect that one. It will ask password. Password should be 1234 and here. Now it is saved. We need to connect this SS05 in app. So here we can see the refresh button. We need to go for this one and connect to the. So now it is connected. We need to set our voice commands. We have to go for the robo, and here we can see last vocal command configuration. Here we can see for the vocal command 1. So the vocal command is fan on and the data is capital A. For the vocal command 2, fan is fan off and the command is small a. For the light, we can see here, for the vocal command is light on, data is capital B. For the vocal command 4, light off, and the vocal command to be sent is small b. In this way we will configure the vocal commands. So now here you can see the fan and light also. Fan on, so we can see here fan is rotating. Fan off, fan is in off position. Light on, light off, light off. So sometimes off will be takes 1F or again will takes like a OFF. So we need to see the how it is spelling takes and we need to configure it again. In this way we will control the light and fan using this voice control app through the Bluetooth module. After that we need to go for the so now you can see GSM is done. So here we can see monitoring. So we are remove this box and PR sensor will detect our hand. So we need to press password 1234. So it will send a message OTP, and here we can see the OTP. OTP is a 7334. Now door is in open position. So here we can see access granted. After that it will be monitor again. If the sensor is detected any object, again it will ask a password. Then if we enter the password, it will send a message. If we don't enter the password within time, so it will give a alert. So here we can see sending a message. Here we can see message and sending a mail. So it will take a picture here and also send a message to a registered email ID and also send a message through this GSM module. Here we can see intro alert. This is a message, and the mail also we can see here. So here we can see in this way we will get a mail like alert intro detected and please check the attached image. So here we can see the image. In this way the system will be works. So if you want to do the again process, we need to remove the supply and we need to give again. So it will be restarted again. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.